You can start, any one of you.
My name is Salil, and I'm a Sir student 20 years back. I have learned courses from Sir, and now after 20 years, I'm doing the course again. I'm very happy to attend this course.
Great.
My name is Shudat. I am doing automobile engineering, fourth year. So I
Okay.
was recommended by Salil.
Okay. That's great. I was wondering how you came to know this.
Sudut is being mentored by me for his higher education in the UK, and
Great.
I advise him to attend this course so that he gets his mind settled down and clear idea about his higher education.
Okay. That's great. Okay, Ajit. Ajit, can you introduce yourself?
Hello.
Ah,
Yes, I am audible.
yeah.
Yes, I am also student of MIT Aurangabad, mechanical engineer. I passed out in 2010 when you was a HOD for our department, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I am happy to see you again. Uh, and actually, I am joining from Muscat.
Great.
Now I am working in Muscat for
Okay.
one of the MNC.
Great.
So I follow you on what this Facebook, no? So I
Okay.
saw your ad, and
Mhm.
I remember you done some show in our gathering
Yes.
about hypnotism and like that.
Yes.
Yes.
Ah,
So it was a good experience to see you again and
yeah.
learn something new from after 10 years. No,
Great.
I was very
Great.
happy to see you, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Great. Okay, Arjun,
हाँ
please
sir.
introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Arjun Umrikar. I just passed out from MIT BTech, and I'm also mechanical engineer. And so you taught me. I was fortunate enough to being taught by you. You actually taught me one subject, and actually, this lockdown has been pretty hectic. So it's been a lot of emotional turmoils. So I
Okay.
saw your ad, I saw your status, so I enrolled myself in, and I hope the results would be great.
True. Sure. Okay. So let's begin with the course of 4 sessions. The first session, of course, is zero state of mind. You all have learned physics. You know that to give direction to a particular part or anything, anybody, when you want to give it a direction, you should see that if you want it to move into the same direction as the direction of force, then it should be stopped for a while before you apply the force in a particular direction. And if there are two forces in two different directions, we also know that the body will move into a resultant direction. Neither of the two will the body will move in. And that is why whenever there are preoccupied thoughts in our mind, we can't use it for the use or for the purpose. And that is why many a times we get disturbed emotionally and our performance does not be 100% or to the extent which it was otherwise possible. So these preoccupied thoughts, preoccupied feelings, how they evolve. Actually, throughout the day, whatever incidences, events are happening around us, that becomes a stimuli for our mind. And these activities or these signals are coming to the mind through our body sensors, the 5 body sensors which we have learned. So it may be picture, it may be smell, it may be a touch, it may be taste. So there are 5 different sensors through which these stimuli are acting upon our mind. And whenever such stimulus come to our mind, there is a natural reaction to these stimuli. And many of the times, these reactions or these responses are not expressed, or we are not able to express it due to certain limitations, maybe family limitations, maybe social limitations, maybe professional limitations, but somehow these are not expressed. And when we do not express our feelings, our thoughts, they start getting suppressed into the subconscious level of the mind. And all such suppressed feelings and suppressed thoughts, usually which are of negative type, create a cumulative effect which hampers our functioning in daily life. And it creates a cumulative effect in the form of anger, fear, irritation, and so other others. And this does not allow us to function to the best possible way. And that is why many a times we keep disturbed and we cannot do what we wish to do. And that is why the first stage in mind control is to bring it to a state where there will not be thoughts. So you can say we have to bring the mind at a zero state. This session will only help you to experience that state of mind, which we call it as zero state. But to make the mind or to keep the mind in zero state for continuously throughout our life, it needs continuous practice of mind. It is just like when we want to make our body healthy, when we want to enhance our physical health, it is required that we should go for some physical exercises. Same way, for building our strength to mind, we have to undergo these mental exercises, as one day of physical exercise cannot make you stronger. Similarly, one session on mind control may not give you that state for continuously for the remaining days and time. And that is why this is going to give you an experience of what is zero state of mind. We are recording all the sessions, and as soon as we finish these 4 sessions, every one of you will receive this video and audio recording, which you can use in future to go into these different states. Now, let's come to the beginning of the session. what you are required to do. I'll be helping you through certain guidelines, suggestions, instructions to take you to this zero state of mind. And you have to listen to it very carefully, and you have to imagine it in such a way that you start feeling it within yourself. Remember, the physical body has got neurochemicals, neurotransmitters, which transmits the feeling throughout the body. The signals are passed on throughout the body. And this transmission is closely connected with the thought process and feeling. And that is why, even if it is not physical in nature, the feelings will make your brain to release the neurotransmitters, neurochemicals, which will create the same feeling which is there in your thought. Okay, so we'll not waste much of the time. I hope you all have taken up the posture, either of the two. Either you can do it in sitting posture, keeping your backbone comfortably straight, or you can do it in Shavasana. I would suggest you, advise you to go into Savasana, which will be more comfortable. See that once you start entering into this state, you should not require to change your posture. I hope you all are using headphones so that any external sounds will not disturb you during this session. So I welcome you once again for this session of mind control, the first session, that is zero state of mind. Wish you all the best. Let's start. So take your posture. See that you are in a comfortable position. You should not require to change your posture during this session, apart from which you will be doing as per the given suggestions. So to begin with, keep your eyes wide open and focus it on a point just in the front, slightly above, or you can say in between the eyebrows, and don't allow your eyelids to close, to blink. Without blinking, use your full strength to keep your eyes wide open. It will start becoming heavier. You will feel like blinking it, but still use your complete strength, complete willpower, and keep it wide open. Slowly, it will again start becoming heavier and heavier, but still you have to keep it open. A time will come when it will be difficult for us to control the muscles of our eyelids, and they will start falling down, and the eyes will be closed. Allow them to close and feel the relaxed state in your eyes, which you can feel after closing your eyes. It gives relax and comfort in your eyelids. This feeling of comfort and relaxation will be transmitting throughout our body. Great. Now slowly bring your concentration on your nostrils and try to feel the air which is entering inside your lungs through your nostrils. Feel that touch of that air which is entering your body. Slow and deep. Enjoy this. This is bringing you a lot of oxygen which is required for every cell of our body to generate energy. Let it be very slow and deep. Now slowly we'll move with this air from the nostrils to the lungs through the nasal pass. Just feel the air, how it is entering your nostrils and moving through the nasal pass to your lungs. Feel the expansion and contraction of your lungs during inhale and exhale of this air. When you slowly, deeply inhale the air, the lungs are expanding slowly. And when you slowly and exhale your air, the lungs get contracted. Enjoy this movement of your lungs. This oxygen is helping your body to generate energy. This energy will get transmitted to each cell of our body. This is a fresh oxygen you are inhaling. Let this be very slow and deep. That's great. Now let it remain slow and deep, coming to the facial muscles. Feel your jaws. The teeth are pressed against each other. Just release the jaws. Release your lower jaw. Let it be freely hung. Concentrate on each minute muscle of your face. Release them. Relax them. Let the weight of these muscles be given away to the earth. Make your entire face completely relaxed and comfortable. Moving slowly into the forehead. releasing all the lines on the skin, relaxing the skin of your forehead. Slowly feeling the skull, imagine a spray of fresh oxygen being sprayed on the skull from outside and relaxing it, making it more comfortable and relaxed. Take the jet of this fresh oxygen from inside the skull and spray it on the entire skull to relax it. Great. Now looking into the brain, the left side of the brain, let this fresh air, fresh oxygen be sprayed on the left side of your brain, which will relax the brain cells, bringing it to the more comfort and relaxed state. Slowly moving to right side of the brain, spray fresh air and oxygen on your right side of the brain, relaxing your brain cells and bringing comfort each cell of your brain. Coming to the front side of your brain, spraying cool and fresh oxygen on the front side of your brain, releasing and relaxing and bringing to the comfort level. Moving towards top of the brain, relax. Moving to the back side of the brain, relaxing and giving complete comfort to the back side of the brain. Moving ahead to the neck and shoulders, release the muscles, the bones, the joints, make it comfort, relax. Slowly moving through the hands, touch your bones, joints, muscles, skin, mentally relax it, bring it to the full comfort. Leave the weight of your body parts on the ground. Great. Moving through your hands, arms, forearms, wrist, palm, fingers, everywhere. Just bring it to the comfort, relaxed state. Moving ahead through the backbone, right from the neck to the end of the backbone. Just release every chain of the backbone. All the joints should be brought to the comfort level. Great. Looking through the back, the entire back should be brought to the comfortable level. Relax. Complete back from shoulders to the waist. Concentrate on your chest and stomach. Relax the parts within your stomach and chest. Transfer the entire relax and comfort to these body parts. Moving further in the legs, the thighs, the hip joint, the knee joint, the joint in the feet, everywhere, just bringing it to the most comfortable state, completely relaxed. Now, your entire body is into a relaxed state. Now you are feeling the need of a deep sleep, relaxed sleep, which you will be going through. The transmission of the relaxation, the feeling of relaxation will be throughout the body. No thoughts, no feelings, no stress, no pain. I'll count from 20 to 1. A soothing music will start flowing through your body, transmitting entire comfort and relaxation in every cell of your body. And you will enter into a deep, deep sleep. You will remain there 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So be there, enjoying the deep sleep. You'll feel the calmness within you. You'll be flying into the deep, deep sky. Sometimes you'll be going through the deep jungle. The music of the jungle will take you deeper, deeper. Sometimes you'll be going into deep sea, enjoying the peace. Sometimes you will be moving through the mountains. Be there for next 20 minutes and then all the thoughts, feelings, pain, stress will be removed. You'll be fresh, energetic. slowly we'll be bringing back ourselves to the natural conscious. I'll count from 1 to 20. With each number, you will keep coming back to the natural consciousness. After counting up to 20, slowly you will bring back the movements in your body parts. Let it be as slow as possible. After bringing consciousness and movements in the body parts, slowly turn to your left. Have 3 or 4 times deep breathing, and then with opening the eyes very slowly, you can come out of this state with a healthy smile, peaceful and calm mind, and full energy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly bring back the consciousness into your body parts by moving them very slowly. Turn to left after bringing the movement in all the body parts. Take 3 or 4 deep breaths, and then very slowly open your eyes and come back to the natural state. And after coming out of this state, you can switch on your video and audio to share your experience in this session. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You may share your experience.
Yeah, it was very nice and a recreational one. I was so tired by end of the day, and I am feeling just as if I am just awake when in the morning.
Great. Wonderful. Have you experienced that zero state?
Not for entire time, but yeah, in between 10-15 minutes I could.
Great, great, great. After you come out, have you observed yourself the moment you come out?
Ah,
The moment you come out of this state, for a while, you will not have any thoughts. To be
no,
completely
no, yeah, yeah. It was very nice. For at least 10 minutes and more, I was not having any thought. And just
great,
after you told that come out, then only I realized that I am somewhere here.
great, great, great. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Arjun,
Yes, sir.
hmm, you may also switch on your audio, video, both.
Now am I audible?
Yeah.
So it was amazing actually when you told us to start moving our body parts.
Mm-hmm.
It was actually I felt as if someone was pouring life into my arms and feet
Great.
because they were as stiff as stones. I mean, I
Yeah.
wasn't alive by body; it was just mind.
Great. Great.
And so one more thing I noticed
Mm,
when the music was playing,
mm.
I was paying attention. I was being carried by, and there were thoughts coming to my mind. But this time, I was able to control them easily, and I could brush them off.
Great.
I
Wonderful.
mean, like for out of 20 minutes, 12 minutes, I had succeeded,
Wonderful. Wonderful.
and literally felt that I was pouring life into my own arms and legs when I started moving them for first time.
That's great. That's great. See, only it's imagination, it's generation of such thoughts which starts creating those feelings within the body also. Okay, wonderful.
Yeah.
Ajit,
I'm audible.
yes, yes, please go
Yes,
ahead.
actually, no. This experience is quite something similar when I do Shavasana. No, I
Mm-hmm.
usually practice Shavasana.
Okay.
So when you started talking us, no, counting 20, 19, reverse
Mm-hmm.
order.
Mm-hmm.
So literally when I do Shavasana, no, all my body parts got numb, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm and my body is still heavy. Then
Mm-hmm.
when start music, no, so then my thoughts got diminishing slowly,
Mm-hmm.
slowly. And after starting the Om no sound,
Mm-hmm.
I was feeling literally weightless,
Great, great.
weightless. And again, it was coming up and down, up and down. Later, when you counting 1 to 20 to come back, us, no,
Mm-hmm.
I really don't want to come. Your wife was dragging me.
Yeah, yeah,
चलो
yeah,
घर चलो चलो अभी घर चलो like that.
yeah.
So
Great,
this was
great.
a full of matlab, what I do shavasana till
Mm-hmm.
the go into trance, but
Mm-hmm.
coming back to know, and then I got to sleep generally.
Mm-hmm.
But
Wonderful, wonderful.
yes, then after you dragging us no
Mm-hmm.
to conscious, so I
Mm-hmm.
do, really don't want to come back
Nice,
like that.
nice, nice one. Acha, Salil, Sudhir has not attended, it seems. I don't know what has happened. Hello, Salil.
I don't know exactly what has happened because
Maybe, maybe network issue or what?
no, actually he is somewhat disturbed already,
Okay, 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 okay.
and it is due to his parents and their forceful behavior somewhere. So he wants
Mm-hmm.
to run away from all this, and
Acha,
that is
acha.
what the reason was. I brought to your class, and unfortunately I could not succeed him to bring it
So
here.
do one
So
thing. I'll have one individual time for him. I'll talk to him first.
yeah, yeah, that is essential, sir. What has happened? He is psychologically so disturbed.
Okay.
and I wanted to help him thoroughly. So I thought this will be nice to heal his mind.
Yes, yes, yes.
And okay, so I will give you a message and share your number
Yes,
too.
yes, 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 yes. Okay.
Yes.
Chalo. So have a wonderful time. Tomorrow
Thank
at
you,
the
sir.
same time we'll be going for body consciousness. So let's hope that you enjoyed the today's session, and we'll have.
Sir,
Yes, Arjun.
sir, Arjun, so 3 more days, right?
Yeah.
All right, sir. Same time.
Yes, same time, same time.
Okay, and extremely sorry for today, sir. I
नहीं
should have
नहीं
already downloaded it.
no कोई problem नहीं. Okay. चलो. See
Okay,
you.
sir.
Have
Good
a
night.
Good
wonderful
night.
time. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.